Hello everyone, so fast forward, we already finished the work in the Hyundai i40 2012 and we already correct all the problems of the cars before, which the antenna was chopped and too short and the amplifier couldn't get into the new system, so we bypass amplifier. The camera, reverse camera, was fit with the very wobbly and loosened way at the back end, and also at the very wrong position that the camera exposed out of the tailgate and it collect all the rain or water come down from the sky. So we already put the camera further into the tailgate under the cover, and it's now beautiful stay at the back end with the two screw holding it nicely. Before they didn't even put screw on, they just stick on with the tape. And you know that in Australia, under the heat and the sun and the weather, with a tape and holding the reverse camera, that's just looking for a fold out camera at any time soon. So this is moment, everything is good, and 7-inch standard package touchscreen bypass amplifier, fully connect and activate 7 speakers around the cars. So at this moment everything is good. Steering wheel control, all of them working beautiful. You can see that this one here that is showing up there, 1, 2 for volume, 2 for audio changing and mode, and phone collect and phone drop. So it's all about steering wheel control working like factory thing, and yes, it's just like that. So for the reverse camera, we connect everything for the owner because he didn't want to replace it, so it's fine, no worry, and it works as long as he's happy. We have no problem, and you can see this camera is far different from our camera that we normally fit, but no problem, it still have the owner see the thing behind. And in the front, the 7-inch fit perfectly into the place, just like factory fit in millimeter gap. I mean, it really doesn't show any gap around, because you know why? It took us about 2 hours to adapt the head unit and the frame together in this place. It took about 2 hours with about 10 times put in out, and get the very right position as it is right now. So far we are very happy with how the head unit is positioned here, and yep, everything is good, and the music is good, radio is good. We don't expect anything more, but also there's 2 USB in the system, so that's the standard, and Wi-Fi internet as well. Yes, Bluetooth phone call and Bluetooth music and navigation system, which is ready here right on the screen. So yes, if you have the same car, you know that it can be done with the 7-inch like this, or we also have the option of the 9-inch as another option. And in this case, yeah, if you want to know how we remove the system before, how we work around the bypass amplifier, how we work around this car model for the speaker wiring, just click in our channel and you will see another video of this car. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.